easiest and cheapest dinner ever. Start by draining all the oil from 125 grams of canned sardines, just like I'm doing here, and set aside. Next, in a medium bowl, add 2 whole eggs and beat them until fully dissolved. Next, season them with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 ripe tomato chopped into small cubes, 1 medium onion chopped into small cubes, parsley to taste, and mix all the ingredients together until incorporated. Finally, add the sardines and mix once again. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir until fully melted. When that happens, pour in the mixture we made. Spread it evenly on the skillet. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe, so click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Cover the skillet and let it fry for 5 minutes. After this indicated time, flip the omelet using a plate and fry on the other side for another 3 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comments section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.